Hello all, this is a video demo of a website that I created as a project for my web development course. This is actually my first ever video demo, so kindly bear with me. Okay, so this is my Net4 CCS homepage. You can always view my experiments here. The project link that is called Find a Mobile. The Git, which has source code of all my experiments and this final project. And the About Me link, if you wish to know who am I, you can always go here and find it out. Okay, so let's go to our project page. So this is my project link, the documentation, and the references that I have used to create this project. So let's go to our project link now. So this is the home page for the Find a Mobile website. It enables you to search for your favorite mobile phones. It has a select brand pop-down menu where you may go to your favorite brands and search for your model names here. There is a sign-in module which we will talk about later. Okay, so let's first of all see how this website looks for an unregistered user. If I wish to say select any brand, I can always select all one of these brands from here, or I can just search for any specific brand, or say Microsoft, Micromax, Xiaomi. Or if I just wish to just do not select any specific brand and I just wish to like see all the phones that this website currently has, so I'll just click on the search button. Okay, so these are the results it fetched from GSM Arena. Actually, I have used an API from GSM Arena to fetch all these images and all these details for each and every phone. As you can see, it's currently showing 1 to 24 results out of 500 results. You can always go to next pages using the page button. Say if you can always like go to next page using these buttons, next, previous one, or you can always like click on any specific button for like going to that specific page. So let's go to 20th page now. So it's showing me all the phones of LG brand here. You can always say go to any specific phone page. Okay, so let's go back to our home page for now. Okay, so let's select any specific brand, and as you start typing any model name here, so it will show me a result of the phones which matched this search result. So we can always go to any specific phone, say Apple iPhone 6. So this is a page specific to this Apple iPhone 6, as you can see. Oh, sorry, what did I do? Yeah, okay, so this page is specific to this Apple iPhone 6. You can always view new images here. You can view the ratings, or you can always view the reviews. But before that, this is the detailed specifications of this phone, the features, detailed specification. All of this data is like getting fetched from GSM Arena website. Everything, all of it, except the reviews and the ratings. These are the ratings from other users, and as you can see from the reviews that were given, you can easily analyze that I have some really nice and funny friends. Okay, so this is how you can just like straight away go to a specific page for every phone. If I say wish to just go to any specific brand, say, okay, so let's go to Microsoft and say I wish to search for Surface devices. You can just click here, or you can always like press enter. So it would show a list of all the phones which matched this keyword Surface. Okay, so similarly, you like really need not type any specific model name here, and it would just fetch all the details from all the phones which have this specific brand of Apple. So if I just press enter here, and it shows me all the results of the phones with the brand named Apple. I have implemented some hovering features here. Say if I hover over this Apple iPad 3, then it gives me a basic summary of all the specifications that this iPad currently has. This is the camera. This iPad has 5 megapixel camera, 1 gigahertz of processor speed, 1 GB RAM, and all. You can always add this specific phone or say iPad to your favorites, but since I'm not currently logged in, so it would show me a pop-up saying please sign in first. If I say wish to add another review or say write a review, so it would just again pop up a message calling please sign in first. Okay, so again, for if you wish to like give ratings and all, it would again ask me to sign before I can do any of it. Okay, so this is basically how the UI looks for unregistered users. So registered users have the following perks, namely they can write reviews for any number of phones. They can rate any number of mobile phones available on this website, or they can add their like favorite phones to their favorite list. Okay, so let's go to our sign in feature. A user can sign in using login with Google, or they can log in using the website's own login feature. This login with Google feature was working very nicely when I was hosting this website on OpenShift, but as I extended my website, uh, it it sort of grew to like 1.1 gig. So OpenShift did not allow me to host it on their website as their limit is 1 GB. So I used this Amazon EC2 server to host my website. So this Amazon EC2 server actually gives you an IP address. So this is the IP address for my website. But the problem with Google login is that, as you can see from the Stack Overflow web page, uh, Google OAuth does not actually allow authentication for public IP addresses, as you can see here. And yeah, it says it's March 2015 and public IP addresses still don't work. So it's like people have filed a feature request. So I hope it just gets enabled soon. Anywho, coming back to this page, so let's try and log in using our own login feature. For this, you can either type your email address or your username, and a password is required for the login purposes. You can always click on remember me on this computer so that this website remembers you on whichever like PC you logged in from. You can always like click on forgot your password if in case you forgot your password. Okay, so okay, clicked on it, sorry. Okay, so let's try and register first. Let me type my first names, last name, and say email address. I have provided a few checks here to maintain the uniqueness of each username. If I try to put an already used username, then it pops up a message saying username already exists. So let's try a different name. Okay, so let me retype my password just for confirmation. Okay, so let's register it now. Yeah, so this is my name which got featured here. I can edit my profile going to this page. If I say type 123, so when I click on save, so as you can see here, my name got changed to Himanshi123. Okay, so you can always say change your password. I have again provided a few checks when the user needs to change the password. See, I don't. If I like try and not type my actual current password and try to enable new password here, so let's see what it says now. Okay, so it says current password is incorrect. So let me try and type my correct password. I also have other features to enable a few checks like minimum password strength. So as it says password should be longer, I have maintained the minimum length of any password should at least be 7 characters. So that's why it said password should be longer. So let me type a longer password. And let's save the password now. Okay, so the password got successfully changed. So let's try and log out first. Okay, so now I just logged out from there. Now I'm trying to log in again. I can again use a username for this, which I just created. I think it was 123. Okay, so let me type a wrong password for now. So it says unknown user or invalid password. So I have enabled a forgot your password feature here. So if I type my current username and submit it, so it'll say that an email has been sent to my website, sorry, to my email address for like changing my for changing my password. Okay, so let's go to my Gmail address now. So here is the password reset email, and when I click here, it asks me to like enter my new password. So let's show it now. Update password. So it got updated now. So I can go to my favorite phones. Since this is an ID which I just created, it does not have any sort of favorite list. So let's go and add some new phones here. You can let me search for say Galaxy phones and press enter. Okay, so let's try and add it to my favorites. So it says it got added to my favorites. Now if I try and add it again, it would say this Galaxy A3 is already in my favorite list. I can again like say write a review for this. So let's write it here. Nice phone. I like it. And I can give ratings to this. So it says my review has been successfully posted. So if I try and refresh this page again, so you can see here the ratings are here, and this is me who just posted a review for this website. Sorry, for this specific phone. And I can go to my favorites page, and it shows me another a phone which is added to my favorite now. Okay, so this is it for this website. Thank you very much for taking your time out and seeing this video. I also wish to thank my professors, Professor Jose and Professor Rasala. Thank you very much. Have a good day.